Nandito ulit tayo sa HANSIK Rotating K-Food and Sushi at iba pa para tikman ang kanilang 499 pesos rainy day promo. Sobrang sulit ng kanilang 499 pesos dahil matitikman mo na ang unlimited food served on rotating conveyor belt. At hindi lang yan dahil may enjoy mo rin ang endless samyupsal, unlimited fried chicken, unli soup, unli fresh salad, unlimited ramen at ang kanilang unli gyaranchim o steam egg. At hindi lang yan dahil meron din silang 699 pesos promo. Kasama na rin dyan ang unlimited food served on conveyor belt plus 6 kinds of complimentary food. Kasama na dito ang scallops, enoki roll, beef roll, tuna aburi nigiri, okonomiyaki and gyoza. Meron din niyang kasamang unli samji, unli beef bulgogi, unli soup, veggie salad, ramen, and steam egg. At kung winner naman ang budget mo, pwede mo ring itry ang kanilang special HANSIK seafood platter for 999 pesos. Kasama na dito ang 6 kinds of complimentary food. Meron siyang scallops, enoki roll, beef roll, tuna aburi nigiri, okonomiyaki, and gyoza. Plus, meron ka na ring unlimited samji, beef bulgogi, fried chicken, soup, fresh salad, ramen, and steam egg. At meron na yang kasamang 2 black square plates with premium dishes. This amazing promo runs until August 31, 2024. Located ito sa Unit 3 and 4 Central Town Mall, Barangay Kutkut, Angeles City. Enjoy mga senyora, mga tana!